Hello people! Today I'm going to showcase Kotava. Kotava is an international auxiliary language like Esperanto, Tokima or LFN, which I covered recently. The special thing about it is that it's an a priori language, which I will explain later. History. The inventor, or should I say inventrice, is Staryn Fetsey from Canada. She started working on Kotava in the year 1975. It was made publicly available in the year 1978. It has undergone major changes in the year 1988 and 1993. Since then, according to the website, there were no further big changes and the language basically stabilized. Depending on different sources, there are now 16,000 to maybe 29,000 or more according to the French website, and more basic root words. In 2005, a committee was established to guide the further development of Kotava. They established some ground rules, which you will see later. Phonetics and writing system. One of the sub-goals listed by the named committee is a simple and limited phonetic system that can be pronounced easily by the majority of people. Because of this, there are, few sounds. They are using the Latin script and most letters are pronounced similarly to the IPA signs. A few exceptions are C, pronounced like sh, J, pronounced like j, and Y, pronounced like y. I also like to mention that X is pronounced like h, like in the Scottish word loch, and R is usually rolled. The vowels are all pronounced like their IPA counterparts. There are a few diphthongs, I, A, Oi, and two rare ones, E and Ui, and the writing system is the Latin script, but it's lacking the H and the Q. Vocabulary. Now you will see the next big sub-goal, an a priori lexicon that does not favor any language. This language's vocabulary is totally made up. It is not taken from any other language. A priori basically means that its vocabulary is not based on any other language. Another sub-goal is also that every word is homonym-free. That means that every word only has one meaning. Grammar. The sub-goals for grammar are a simple and totally regular grammar that reflects the grammars of the majority of languages in the world, and a clear morphology with each morpheme having a well-defined and exclusive function. Here are the personal pronouns. One thing to note is that there is an exclusive and an inclusive we. Regarding verbs, there are 3 tenses, present, past and future, and 4 moods, realis, imperative, conditional and relative. Here you can see how the word to be and to eat are formed. Now to the modifiers. Here you can also see some modifiers. The past is formed by adding a T interfix, and the future is formed by adding a Y interfix, like in this example. Nouns have no gender, but it can be added with either a y, male, or ya, female suffix. The plural is formed in many different ways, but never with a suffix. Now I have an example text for you. I hopefully pronounce it in the right way. This is the Lord's Prayer in Kotava. Shinaf gadik koe kelt tigis, rinaf yolt so tutum tar, rinafa gazara art fir, rinafa kuranira, moeta wava lidam kelt so askir, va vieleaf big pu shin resilil. Vakota shinafa kantara ichel, dumpu bagezik dere ishef. Isegu zoenusha va shin me lev plekul, Voltse Vashin Tunuyal. I hope that was in some way right. Now to the conclusion. Kotava is a really interesting orc slang which finally tries to be culturally neutral. You don't see that often. I really like it, but I think that it's too complicated, especially the reading for me, because there are really many letters which I can't pronounce properly. The French website says that there are 29,000 words, which in my opinion are way too many. But that is just my personal opinion. Nonetheless, I really like the cultural neutrality. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and maybe comment what you want in the next video. Goodbye!